Beyond transparency lies absolute purity. Welcome to the birthplace of the liquid diamond. Our foundation is organic winter wheat, selected for its high starch content and pristine genetic profile. We blend the grain with mineral-free water, preparing the molecular base for fermentation. In an oxygen-free environment, high-potency yeast converts natural sugars into a high-grade grain spirit. A rhythmic, biological transformation that lasts exactly 72 hours for optimal flavor development. The journey of purification begins in the primary distillation column, separating the raw spirit from the mash. We capture only the finest vapors, leaving behind all heavy organic compounds. 7 stages of thermal refinement. Each level increases the alcohol concentration and molecular clarity. Boiling points are managed within 1/10 of a degree to isolate the pure ethanol heart. We discard the impurities. Only the ultra-clean heart of the distillation is allowed to continue. At 96% purity, the liquid is powerful, crystalline, and chemically flawless. The first stage of filtration. Activated charcoal absorbs any remaining microcongeners. Thousands of square meters of surface area trap the last vestiges of organic aroma. The apex signature. We filter the spirit through genuine diamond dust to achieve an unparalleled luster. The diamond's carbon structure polishes the liquid at a molecular level, giving it a unique brilliance. The liquid diamond is born. Brighter than water, purer than any standard spirit. We hydrate the spirit with water sourced from deep earth glacial aquifers for a smooth mouthfeel. A delicate balance. The water and spirit are married over 48 hours to ensure stability. Every batch is verified. We measure purity in parts per billion to guarantee the apex standard. Scientific proof of perfection. 0 additives, 0 sugar, 0 impurities. Only the highest grade flint glass is used to house the liquid diamond. Absolute sterilization. Even the air inside the bottle is ionized to repel microscopic dust. Our filling process occurs under a vacuum to prevent any oxygen from entering the liquid. No bubbles, no splashing. Pure, silent efficiency. Every bottle is filled to the exact milligram, verified by laser telemetry. The silver crown. A heavy, metallic seal that signifies premium engineering. A high-torque seal creates a 100% airtight environment for the liquid diamond. We use fiber lasers to engrave our signature diamond pattern, creating a tactile luxury experience. Precision art. Every bottle is a unique piece of industrial design. Stabilizing the temperature ensures the liquid maintains its crystalline structure during transport. We measure light transmission. Our vodka allows 99.9% of light to pass through, a subtle mark of a global leader in high-tech food processing. Handling luxury with care. No glass-to-glass contact is permitted on our line. Encrypted security. A 3D hologram ensures you are holding a genuine Apex product. Packaging for the world's most exclusive bars and private estates. Engineering comfort for the liquid diamond's journey across the globe. Total protection. We shield our spirit from light until the moment it is poured. Full traceability via our secure industrial blockchain. Every drop is a reflection of our commitment to engineering excellence. We manage our water life cycle with zero discharge, protecting the environment. Constant pressure ensures the spirit is polished evenly through the diamond bed. Mastering the biochemistry of the grain to create a cleaner fermentation. The final distillation stage removes the last trace of bitterness. Human oversight verifies the AI's precision in every production cycle. Our infrastructure is built to the highest medical-grade specifications. The brain of the operation, where AI manages 5,000 sensors simultaneously. Efficient heat exchange saves energy while maximizing spirit quality. High-speed cameras detect impurities as small as 10 microns.
Zero tolerance for flaws. Only the liquid diamond moves forward. High viscosity purity. The mark of a slow, careful distillation.
Filtration at sub-zero temperatures further stabilizes the liquid's flavor profile.
A crowning achievement in industrial spirit production.
The carbon heart of our purification process. .99% uptime. Precision at scale.
Every component is engineered to maintain the spirit's eternal freshness. Feel the smoothness. Witness the clarity.
From the high-tech tower to the world's most refined palates.
Verified.
Designing the future of premium spirits, one stage at a time.
Mechanical grace in a world of high-speed production.
Built to last a century. Engineered for the next second.
Harnessing the physics of evaporation to reach 100% purity.
It starts with the soil. It ends with the diamond.
Visual geometry that complements the liquid within.
The foundation of smoothness. The silence of purity. Measuring how light bends to confirm the alcohol's concentration. Nature's filter, optimized by Apex Engineering. Scale without compromise. Speed without error. Perfectly balanced for global logistics. Aesthetics that reflect the technology inside. We use the grain's waste to power its transformation. Predictive maintenance keeps our purity constant 24/7. Polishing the liquid with the hardest substance on Earth. The pinnacle of the Apex Food Processing Playlist. Perfect dilution for the perfect experience. A flawless exterior for a flawless interior.
the vault of the liquid diamond. Connecting our factory to the global luxury market. Selecting only the essence of the harvest. Managing the heat of the fire with the power of the ice. Stability in every mechanical movement. No leaks. No oxidation. No compromises. Visualizing the flow to optimize the purity. Your guarantee of the world's purest vodka. The dance of the spirit and the water. Eliminating all biological traces before bottling. Engineering brilliance in every component. Guarding the purity of the liquid diamond zone. Ready to define the new standard of luxury spirits. Apex process. Trusted by the world's elite.
Adding the final layer of protection and prestige.
Experience the weight of engineering. Feel the chill of purity. From the fields of saffron to the towers of vodka, APX excellence. Clearer than crystal. Stronger than tradition. Sustainability, powering the ultimate luxury. Another production cycle mastered. Another diamond bottled. The liquid diamond. Captured by science. Apex process. Engineering the liquid diamond.